Okay, so I just rebuilt the transmission in this truck a few weeks ago. This is the old Silverado that we've been doing a ton of work on.
A quick demonstration.
Come on, y'all.
We got the plow on it, and that's working really good now. I plowed with it for a few storms. It's working good. I've got some sort of a tick, maybe something up with the flex plate, or maybe something going on with the torque converter. Everything works perfect. It's got power, everything. It feels really good. It's got a little tick. What are you gonna do? You hear that? I mean, it's a loud tick. Wow, as soon as you put the little gas to it, it goes away. So I don't know. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. Sounds bad. Everything works fine though. So today I'm off to work. I'll show you a quick before and after on what I've been working on.
Come on, y'all.
All right, so thanks for watching. If you can, like and subscribe. It keeps the channel going, keeps me going. And I think we'll see you at probably the next video. I think will be something to do with sapping, because we're getting close to there. And then hopefully this summer we can get back into some of the tractor projects and some of the other fun things that we're doing here. Thanks again for watching.